Hi guys, my name's Amy and today I'm going to be showing you how to buy Dogecoin on the Webull app. I don't know if you've already heard, but Dogecoin is apparently going to be the official currency of Mars, according to Elon. So really exciting stuff. We'll see where it takes us. It's been a fun ride so far. But really quickly, if you ever want to find out where you can buy a specific cryptocurrency, I'm going to show you how. So you're just going to go to CoinMarketCap. They have a website and an app. I'm on the app right now. So then you type in the coin, you scroll down, you click markets, and then you'll see a list of all the markets where you can buy it. As you can see, Dogecoin is now listed on a lot of exchanges, including KuCoin, Binance, Webull, etc. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin using Webull because it's safe. There's no minimum to open an account, no maintenance fees, and they have a 24/7 help center, which is crucial. So I partnered with Webull. So if you use this specific Webull sign up link that I placed below in the description and also the comment section, then you will receive 2 stocks for free, one valued from $5 to $250 just for opening an account, and then another stock valued between $8 and $1,600 if you initially deposit over $100. So go click that link below. It helps me, it helps the channel, it helps you guys. It's just a win-win. Okay, so first you're going to download the Webull app and you're going to start creating an account. You can also do this on your computer if you'd like. I'm going to be sharing my phone screen for this because that's how I set up my account. Okay, so enter your email, start setting up your account, answer all these questions, and then go to open an account. For account type, put cash account, check whatever you want, make sure to check apply for crypto trading. Then you're gonna go click deposit on the bottom middle, and you are now going to link your bank account so you can transfer funds into your Webull account from your bank account. Okay, so now you have the option to do ACH or wire. I'll be doing ACH. So click that, then continue by selecting which bank you want to link. Enter how much you want to transfer from your bank account to your trading account. Also, I highly recommend setting a trading password and a 2-factor authentication just to add that extra level of security, because there's lots of annoying trolls. Okay, so now you've submitted your application. So let's take a look at the markets by clicking markets on the bottom. So here you can look at all the different markets, news, etc., all the different articles. You can also add coins to your watch list, which I highly recommend. So let's go and add Doge to your watch list. Just search Doge and star the Doge USD. All right, now let's go back to Doge. You can do a limit or a market order. I'm going to do a limit order and set the price lower so that I get a better deal on it. Enter how much USD or whatever currency you are using to buy. Press confirm, confirm, good. And now I am getting this message saying insufficient funds because although I transferred $100, it takes up to 5 days for the cash to transfer to your account. So therefore you can't trade until that is complete. Hopefully they work on speeding this up, but most markets and platforms are like this. So even when you're crypto trading approved on Webull, you still have to wait for the transfer to go through until you can purchase. But just go back once it's cleared and make your purchase and it will go through. I'm just making this video before waiting because I'm impatient. If you would like to buy Dogecoin faster and immediately, and you already have a KuCoin account or Binance account set up, you can just buy Dogecoin directly in there. So if you'd like me to make a tutorial on how to buy Dogecoin and KuCoin, I can do that, but it's pretty straightforward. Let me know in the comments and I'll get that up as soon as I can. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon and to the moon. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with all your friends and family and teach them the world of crypto. That is so amazing. And then we can all grow together. Okay, thank you. Bye.